Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about the on-trend glycerin leaves. You've seen them. They're so smooshed and wrinkled, and sometimes you want them to be a little larger. Easiest is to take each leaf. Yes, it's a little bit time-consuming, but it gives you so much more value. Fold it out, and then actually iron it. Take a moment, iron it out, and you'll have so much prettier stem. Just each one, give it an iron, undo it. You can see how beautiful it is. Now you know how the pros take the package and make it fabulous.